Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I'm so happy today. I'm going to be teaching you all how I was able to tie this gele. You all know that right now this is one of the most trending geles out there. So I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this, how I was able to tie this gele on my beautiful model Becky, sweet Becky. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I really love it when you guys do that. And I still remain your girl, Lizzie. So the first thing I did, in order for you to be able to tie this gele, the first thing you have to do is to fold the edges of your gele as usual. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, any form of trending geles at all, please do that, because in this tutorial I'm just going to try to be as detailed as possible and also be brief. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So after folding the edges of her gele, all I did next was to make pleats with the gele. I really love this gele so much because it is unconventional, of course, and it's just beautiful. You can tie it on a bride, on a wedding guest, but I believe mostly it's for bride. This is just out of this world. Like, it's so beautiful. So you really, after making your pleats on your client, all you have to do next is to trace the pleats down towards her neck area, both for the left hand side and also for the right hand side. You guys know that I love DIY gele so much. I love to tie gele on myself, but I got some comments that I should be tying the gele on some persons, my friends, my clients, so that you guys will be able to learn more, and so that it will be I'll be able to carry everyone along. And that is why these days I tend to tie on people. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, but that does not mean I've actually stopped DIY geles. I can't stop it at all. You get to see me posting DIY geles frequently, and if you're just new for the first time here, DIY gele is do it yourself. I usually tie gele on myself, but if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that. I love you guys so much. Just in case you want to tie gele for an occasion or on your client, I do have most of the trending geles here on my YouTube channel. So I'm still trying to trace the pleats down towards her neck area. For this tutorial, the rule for this gele is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. So at the back, what I'm doing is I'm just going to place the 80 underneath, while the 20 part of her gele stays on top, and it stays at the back. It doesn't come to the front at all. This process right now that I'm doing is very important. After making your pleats, you have to bend the back of her gele so that it does not interfere with what you're doing in front. This process is very important. So after bringing your gele towards the front, all you really want to do next is to make sure that you take the 80 parts of your gele. But first, you really want to arrange your pleats to make them really look beautiful and well laid. So I'm going to take the 80 parts of my gele and place it at the front of her head. I'm just going to do that again so that you guys can see. Take the 80 parts of the gele and place it at the front of her head. Like I said, this 80 part of the gele is the longest part of the gele, while the 20 part of the gele is the shorter part, which is the part she is holding right now. So I'm just going to take the 80 part of the gele. The 80 part of the gele has to go round her head and towards the back to meet with the 20 part of the gele. I do hope that you guys understand. If you don't understand, please do check out my previous videos. They are really going to help you to understand. So at this point, after bringing the 80 part of her gele towards the front, I'm just going to start making pleats. I'm so sorry guys, this tutorial was supposed to be longer than this, so I'm really not going to show how I was able to make the pleats round her head. I have so many videos, I can't even count less than 15 videos that I have showing how to tie or how to make infinity pleats. This what I am doing right now is infinity pleats, the round infinity pleats. Please guys, if this video is not detailed enough, because I'm not going to be doing the whole thing, the whole round infinity pleats, if it's not detailed enough and if you do not understand, please, I beg you, please check out my previous videos. I do have a lot of videos on how to tie round infinity gele. I do hope that you guys bear with me. Like, this gele was supposed to be, the tutorial was supposed to be more than this, like longer than this, but I just decided to make it shorter. So you just have to keep making the pleats the way I'm doing it, towards the middle of her head, and then from the middle of her head towards the other side of her face. It is very important guys, and you have to make sure that your pleats are well laid, it's neatly done, so that it comes out beautiful. Like we all know, the pleats is the beauty of the gele. So I'm just going to take it from the middle right now towards the other side of her face, but I'm not going to show it. So after bringing it towards the other side of her face, I'm going to take that hand towards the back, twist it and pin it. That is what I'm doing right now. I only twisted the 80 part of the gele. I only twisted it and pinned it. I really didn't make use of pins in this video. I used thread and needle to sew because this gele is so big, but you can use pins. I was feeling like if I use pins, it will not be as secured as what I actually want, so I used thread and needle. So what I twisted right now was also the 20 part of her gele, and after doing that, you have to make sure that the back is not usually attractive but just make sure that it's kind of neat so that it looks good. So right now I'm back to the front of her face. As you can see, we've already formed the infinity pleats. Guys, please, I do hope I am pardoned for this. Like I said, if you've not watched my previous videos on how round infinity gele is tied, please do that. Please, I beg you, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie this gele. For that part, you cannot skip it. So for the box-like style in front, or for the star-like style in front, you really need to make use of a lot of pins. You really have to have a lot of pins if you want to make the style in front. So all I'm doing is I'm picking the pleated part of the gele. I'm just going to hold two pleated parts of the gele, raise one up a little, and then pin it to the one underneath. That is what I will just be doing basically in this video. I do hope that you guys understand. I'm picking the pleated part of the gele, the two folds or the two lines. I'm just going to pick the both of them, raise one up a little bit so that it forms a box or a star, and then I'm going to pin it. This is not difficult at all. I do hope that you guys understand. I do hope that you guys can actually see and get what I am doing, but it's not difficult at all. I so much love this gele. It's so beautiful on brides, especially on guests too, but it's just so beautiful. I do hope that you guys understand what I am doing. And then if this is your first time of watching me and you've not turned on your notification button, guys, please do that, so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much. So I'm just going to be doing this same thing from the side of her face to the middle, from the right hand side of her face to the middle, and from the middle to the left hand side of her face. You have to make it go round so that it doesn't give you a scattered shape. So that is just it, guys. So I'll just be doing that, and I'm going to continue until I reach the top of her head. So guys, I'm still trying to form the star-like look. If you've not followed me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is Lizzie's Touch, please. If you've not followed me on Instagram, please do that, please. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that now so that we all can grow. And so that I will know if you guys actually love what I do. And if you've never commented on my channel, guys, please, why are you doing this to me? Oh no. Please do that. I want to see you all in the comment section. If you've not shared my video, I love it when you guys do that. Please share my videos, please, become. Thank you all so much. So I'm just going to continue touching and touching. You really have to make sure that you're raising the box. You really have to make sure you're raising it up so that it gives you a nice look. So that's just what I will be doing basically. So guys, this was what I was able to achieve at the end of this video. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. If this video has helped you in any way, don't also forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. If you have any suggestions as to what gele I should tie next, please do that. Please send it to me on Instagram at Lizzie's Touch, the same handle here on YouTube, and I will be glad to help you guys with it. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next